If you're like me and always find a way to make the wrong decision, you'll run into situations like I have now. You can see the exhaust that I pulled off my F-350 diesel truck. It's all rusted up in here. I had some rust right in here that I had to fix. And then this whole section right here, that was all rusted out, so I replaced that. And then I find some rust on the tailpipe as well. And it's, do I decide to fix this, which I probably could by just, replacing this chunk right here for like 40 bucks and seeing how long it lasts, or do I risk it and maybe it rusts out and next year once again? So I figured I would spend the money and just buy the whole thing once again, which is like 750 bucks, which I hate spending money on repairs, but we'll do it the correct way. But yeah, it always hurts to spend the money, so we'll throw it in the truck and see how long it takes and how easy it is to do. So there are no arrows on the muffler to show like direction of flow, so I'm just going to throw it on. So I can't get the tip off, it is rusted on, so I'm just going to clean it up a little bit and just use this whole pipe because it's still in pretty good shape. Getting to this bolt on the top is a bit of a pain, so I have a 5/8 wrench on the top there and a 11/16 impact socket with a swivel down here, and that is connected to my cordless impact gun, and that's the best way that I found to tighten that up, and this one is simple. You can see I painted underneath all the clamps with some high temperature paint. That's the hope that I can prevent some future rust, and I may do a second coat of paint over the clamps as well. And now I can just go ahead and zip these tight with a 9/16 or 14 millimeter socket. So that's it all installed. It's actually a very good kit. All the bends and everything are right in the exact place that you want it to be, so it installs very easily. It only took about a couple hours. The hardest part for me was getting my existing tailpipe to go back onto and connect into the muffler and connect up to the hangers up there. But once that was in, it went together pretty easily. Now this is an aluminized exhaust, and if anybody wants anything that's gonna last for more than like 10 years, I recommend the stainless steel, but otherwise you're gonna have the same problem I'm having. So anyways, let's go for a drive and see how it sounds. Well, everything sounds good. It's nice and quiet, which is what I like. If you get on it, obviously it's a little louder and it sounds pretty good. All right, being a 4-inch exhaust, it's obviously gonna give you a little bit more power. But you will need a tune because mine is a cat delete, which is legal where I'm from. So yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. No leaks, no rattles, so all is good. But I've had this exhaust before, so like I said, if it's a good kit, but if you want it to last maybe more than 10 years, I do recommend the stainless steel. So I guess it's about time that I start thinking about working on the Chevelle. So if you want to see some of that content, be sure to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.